Brain fog. Imagine that you are driving in a foggy winter morning. How does it feel? No matter how good your driving skills are, you need fog lights. You try hard to see through fog and drive slowly to ensure safety. This is the exact scenario with brain fog. Only difference is it's not outside, it's inside our head. Interestingly, most of us confuses brain fog with aging. So how do you know it's brain fog? Let's spot how it look like in daily life. Have you ever felt you read the entire paragraph but couldn't comprehend a single sentence? Yes, this is likely brain fog. It is also characterized by difficulty in focusing, having confusion, fatigue, forgetfulness, losing trail of thought, mental exhaustion, missing right words in conversation, slow reaction time, and trouble paying attention. These are a few symptoms of brain fog. In general, we get a sense that our brain is losing clarity, focus, and sharpness, and often confuses this with aging. If this is your gut feeling, it is highly likely that you are facing brain fog. Now we understood how brain fog look like. So let's see what research says. Brain fog is defined as subjective experience of cognitive difficulty. Research suggests it is linked to multiple medical and lifestyle factors. Currently, brain fog is measured mainly through some questionnaires and cognitive performance tests. Some biomarkers, such as phosphorylated tau, has been associated with brain fog. However, a definitive experimental diagnostic marker is still lacking. Why does brain fog happen? Brain fog doesn't appear overnight. It builds quietly over time. Chronic or extreme stress keep the brain stuck in survival mode, making clarity and focus difficult. Certain medical conditions such as thyroid disorder, multiple sclerosis, arthritis, long COVID, and viral illnesses are also known to trigger brain fog by affecting brain function and energy levels. Nutrition plays a critical role too. A poor or unbalanced diet, especially deficiencies in vitamin B12, iron, or vitamin D, can slow mental processing and lead to persistent fogginess. Hormonal imbalance. Hormonal changes are another major contributor. Low estrogen, thyroid dysfunction, or consistently high cortisol levels can also interfere with cognitive clarity. Next is gut health and hydration. The gut and brain are deeply connected. Poor gut health and inadequate hydration disrupt this communication, affecting focus and mental sharpness. And finally, lack of sleep, one of the most common yet underestimated cause. This prevents the brain from restoring itself, making foggy thinking almost inevitable. Remember, brain fog is a survival strategy. When a brain senses that a person may not be able to handle additional stress or information, it reduces cognitive processing to protect against further harm. In short, the brain slows you down to keep you safe. So, how can we fix brain fog? So far, there is no single medical pill for brain fog, but the good news is that it's manageable with simple and consistent habits. 1. Consistent sleep wake cycle. Maintaining a regular sleep schedule ensure your cortisol and melatonin levels stay balanced. When these hormones are stable, the brain can clear metabolic waste, reducing foggy thinking. 2. Balanced nutrition. Adequate protein and healthy fat support hormone production, critical for focus and energy. Complex carb stabilize blood sugar, preventing energy crashes that worsen brain fog. 3. Stress management. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which directly slows cognitive processing. Techniques like deep breathing or meditation calm the nervous system and improve mental clarity. 4. Regular physical activity. Exercise improve insulin sensitivity and boost neurotransmitter function. Increase blood flow from movement deliver oxygen and nutrient to the brain, clearing the fog. 5. Micronutrient support. Deficiencies in vitamin D, magnesium, zinc, or vitamin B can impair hormone balance and cognitive function. Supporting these nutrients help the brain process information faster and stay sharp. 6. Gut health. A healthy gut regulates complex mechanism that reduces inflammation, which can contribute to brain fog. Fiber, probiotics, and fermented food feed good bacteria that support mental clarity. 7. Hydration. Hydration matter more than we realize. Even mild dehydration can reduce blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain, leading to fatigue, poor concentration, and mental fog. So, what are the key takeaways? We need to remind ourselves brain fog is not a failure, it's a feedback. When a brain feels safe, rested, and nourished, clarity returns. Share your thought in comments if you experience brain fog and how did you handle it. And don't forget to like and subscribe.